If you've ever wondered how to generate YouTube video scripts using AI quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to help you craft high-quality scripts in no time. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting, this technique can save you hours of work while giving you a solid foundation to create engaging content. Stick with me till the end to discover a secret tip that will make this process even faster. So, let's get into it. First things first, you need to choose the right software. After trying a bunch of different tools, I found a solution that works best for generating video scripts quickly, without having to spend hours writing or brainstorming. The software we'll be using is specifically designed to simplify this process, and in the description below, I've got an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. That means you can follow along and try it for yourself. You won't find this deal anywhere else. Now, let's dive into the actual process. The first step is to input a basic idea or topic for your video. For example, let's say you're making a video on how to generate YouTube video scripts using AI. You just enter the topic into the software and it will automatically start generating an outline for you. The AI tool will break down your topic into key sections, helping you structure your video in a logical and engaging way. The best part, it gives you a variety of options for each section, so you can choose the one that fits your style. Once the outline is ready, it's time to expand on each point. AI can provide complete script sections, including introductions, main points, and even conclusions. The software uses powerful algorithms to make sure the tone and style match your preferences, whether you're going for a casual approach or a more formal tone. You don't have to worry about writer's block anymore. Just let the AI do the heavy lifting. The next step is customization. After the AI has generated your script, you can tweak it to match your voice. Maybe you want to add more humor or make a point clearer. The software allows for easy editing, so you can fine-tune your script without having to start from scratch. With this process, you're getting a first draft in minutes instead of hours. One of the biggest time savers here is the speed. Once you've input your topic and let the software generate the outline, you're only a few clicks away from having a fully fleshed out script. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your video creation, like recording or editing, while the AI does the groundwork. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Using AI to generate YouTube video scripts is not just about saving time. It's about giving yourself a solid framework that you can easily personalize. It takes the stress out of script writing, letting you focus on creating the content your audience will love. To recap, we started by choosing the right software to generate your script outline, then expanded it with detailed sections, and finally customized it to fit your style. With the right AI tool, you can go from an idea to a polished script in no time. Don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software I used, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's only available to my viewers, and it's a great way to see how this process works for yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI can make your YouTube video creation process smoother and faster than ever.